Good morning students. Now we are going to see the refining process. The refining process, they have three type of refining process: the distillation, liquefaction and the electrolytic refining. Today this video, now we are going to see the two types, the distillation and the liquefaction method. Okay va? Now we are going to see the what is mean by refining process. Okay va? Metal have some impurities. So metal have some impurities. So metal extracted from its ore. First we are going to see the metal extracted from its ore. That metal have some impurities, contain some impurities that contain some impurities that impurities other metals are unreacted oxides, ores and metals and non-metals. Such type of impurities removed from the crude metal. This metal is called as the refining process. Once again I repeat, some metal extracted from its ore. That ore contains some impurities. Such which type of impurities means unreacted oxide ores, metal oxide, metals, non-metals, metals. Such type of impurities are removed from the crude metal. That process is called as the refining process. Okay va? So now we are going to see the types of refining process. You have first type is, so first we are going to see the first method is distillation method. In the distillation method we use only the low boiling volatile metals only. Example, zinc. Zinc, the boiling point is 1180 Kelvin. Another one example is mercury, so 630 Kelvin. 630 Kelvin. So Kelvin means low volatile boiling liquid means the liquid boiling at the low temperature, then evaporate. The volatile means, the evaporate means volatiles. For example, the zinc, mercury is the example. Okay. This method is used in the distillation process. Okay. Distillation process. Now we are going to see the distillation. This is the distillation vessel. This is the distillation vessels. Metal is heated, changes into the vapor state. That vapor state is condensed in the pure metal. This is the very simple process. Now we are going to take them low boiling liquid in the vessel. Take the low boiling liquid in the vessels. Means the distillation takes place only the low boiling volatile liquid only. So you take the vessels, take the low boiling volatile liquids. So now you are going to heat the vessels. So metals are low boiling point. So the low temperature it is easily evaporate. Pure metals are easily evaporate. That metals passed into the condensed tube. The pure evaporated metal is passed into the condensed tube. The condensed tube, pure metals are converted into the vapor form. The vapor passed into the condensed tube. The tube condenses the water vapor. It changes into the pure metal. So pure metal is collected here. Okay va? So this is the one of the refining process of the distillation method. Okay va?